Hey everybody, and thank you for trusting PAI for your truck part needs. The following video will show you how to install your new PAI injector tubes for Series 60 engines. Let's go! Let's start by thoroughly cleaning the head and removing the fuel injectors. Next, make sure you have the tools and the parts you'll need for the job. Insert the insulation tool into the old tube and thread the pilot into the tip. Then, knock out the old tube by tapping the pilot with a mallet. And finally, be sure to remove the old O-ring and clean the injector tube hole. Go ahead and lubricate the O-ring and then slide it over the new injector tube. Then, mount the injector tube on the insulation tool and tap it into place with a mallet. Now, install the injector hold-down clamp and tighten it to the recommended torque value. Alright, so for this next step, thread the flaring die into the insulation tool and tighten until the tube's end is flared. Next, assemble and insert the tip reamer pilot into the injector tube. Be sure to lubricate the reamer. Then, using the speed handle, ream the injector tube tip. Next, attach the stop block to the fire deck using a pair of head bolts. Then, assemble, lubricate, and insert the seat reamer pilot into the injector tube. And finally, ream the injector seat with the speed handle until the pilot bottoms out on the stop block. Now, you're going to want to remove the excess stock from the injector tube using the tip refinishing tool. And finally, be sure to clean your newly installed PAI injector tube using compressed air. Hey everybody, and thanks again for trusting PAI with your truck part needs. Don't forget to sign up on our website to receive the latest updates, events, and new part releases from PAI. Hey, wait! Rewind the tape. One more thing. In the comments below, help us decide what's next. Here are some options. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.